In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change TradingView background color. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch your chart's background to a solid or gradient color so it's easier on your eyes and matches your trading style. First, open your web browser and go to tradingview.com. You can do this from any modern browser on desktop. Give the site a moment to load so all the chart tools are available. Next, pick any stock or symbol you want to view, then launch the full chart view. On TradingView, this is the detailed chart interface where you get all the drawing tools, indicators, and customization options. If you see a more compact chart, look for the option that opens the full featured chart to make sure you're in the right place. Once your chart is open, click on Settings. You'll find the Settings gear icon on the chart interface, typically near the upper area of the chart. Clicking it opens a panel that controls how your chart looks and behaves. Inside the settings, click Canvas. This is the section that controls the chart's visual backdrop, including the background itself. Think of Canvas as the layer your candles and indicators sit on. It's where color and style changes will make the most visual impact. Now, under background, choose whether you want a solid color or a gradient. Solid gives you one consistent color from edge to edge, great for maximum clarity. Gradient lets you blend two colors for a subtle transition, which can look stylish and help differentiate areas of the chart. After choosing solid or gradient, select your color. If you chose solid, pick the single color that best suits your eyes and the type of candles you use. For a gradient, choose the two colors that blend well together. A soft, dark to darker gradient works well for nighttime or long sessions, while a light, neutral background can help when you're printing charts or need high contrast. When you're happy with your selection, click OK. Your chart will update immediately and the background will apply to the current layout you're using. If the result looks too bright or too dim, simply reopen settings, return to Canvas, and fine-tune the colors until the candles, grid, and text are easy to read. That's it. Changing your TradingView background is quick and gives your charts a clean, customized look. Thanks for watching and enjoy building a chart layout that keeps you focused and comfortable during your trading sessions.